Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and here is this cute little tin box which I have altered, and I created this in the theme of dad. Why not something masculine this time? So again, this is the same box which you had seen earlier, and I have few more of this kind of boxes with me. So I just thought I will do some alteration work on this, and today I'm going to do this masculine theme box for men. I just thought it is going to be a little different, that how every time we do something for all the females out there, and we should do something for men too. So here I'm applying a good 2-3 coats of white acrylic paint on the complete box, and yes, I'm going to make sure that each layer has dried out well once I start with the next layer. So I will be using my paintbrush and my sponge dauber to color this up, and as and when required I am going to add white acrylic paint to this box.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter.
Now my box has dried out really well, and it's time to add my Decoupage napkin, and this is one of the cutest Decoupage napkin which I got some time back, and I absolutely love this one, and I thought I will be using just one portion, the mustache theme portion, for this box. And I'm using the same technique where you dab your paintbrush in water, then mark the portion which you want to use, and then you are going to use this on your base. And before that I'm going to remove my pliers, and I just want to make sure that my decoupage napkin is really dry. Now to stick this, I am going to use my Mod Podge. It's a matte finish Mod Podge, and I'm going to apply a generous amount of Mod Podge on my base, and then I'm going to stick my napkin. Now decoupage napkins are really thin, so you need to be really careful while sticking this. And as you know that for sticking my napkins, I usually use the paint brushes and my sponge dauber, and here this was actually a very small portion, so my same paintbrush worked really well, and this looks so amazing. Now to add a little twist to it, I am going to do some stencil work on this, and for that I'm using my Tim Holtz stencil, and I'm going to cover up the areas which I don't want to use. So I have decided to stencil dad in this, and I'm just covering up the extra side areas, the alphabets which I don't need, so that it becomes easier for me to do it. Now here I'm using my black acrylic paint, and I'm going to start with the central letter D so that I know where exactly I have to do it. So now I'm done with A, I'm adding D on both the sides, and before that I'm going to make sure that my A has dried out really well so that the color does not smudges on my box.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé.
Everything is done, everything has dried out so well, and now it's time to add varnish. And this looks really simple, and it's super fun, and it is actually a simple project which is just fab for your dad, and you can even make these something like this for your brothers or your friends, your boyfriend, and this is going to look super cool. So I'm done with my project. Yes, I'm listing all the supplies used in this tutorial down in the description box with the links to purchase them. Do check that, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.